Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. First of all, open the link which is given below in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this. Peep2.io. Here we can see various options in the header section. Staking Media, who is Peeptop, Bridge, Tokenomics, How to Buy Roadmap, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube. Click their official channels, click their social links to join their official channels to get the latest updates about this coin. Buy Peep2. I'll tell you each and every option. Begin with me till the end of the video. Peep2 is the god of frogs. Congrats, you are early to the party. Buy and stake now during pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. 257% staking rewards. What did Peep miss? Crypto about to drop a game-changing move. Buy Peepto tokens now because the pre-sale is ending in 2 days, 9 hours and 56 minutes. USDT raised 5.8 million and I think 600k are remaining. Our purchase is still zero. First of all, connect your wallet and then choose your amount you want to swap, like 1 Ethereum. We will receive around 23 million people. Also, you can buy with BNB simply. I tell you, connect your wallet and then purchase or swap your token. Featured in Crypto Slate, Crypto Daily, the Crypto Times, Coinpedia, Binance, Crypto Potato, and I already told you about Crypto State. Here is our media. You can see by clicking on the video to see the total video. Who is the god of frogs? Peep2 returns with true power, technology, and optimization. He holds the missing pieces of Peep could never understand. Beyond strength, Peep2 brings wisdom and unity, creating an exchange that adopts all meme coins, giving them real value and a place to thrive. This is the revolution Peep could never achieve. Read the white paper to know the full story. Just click on white paper to read the full white paper. Value of Peep2 token. Under the watchful guidance of Peep2, the god of frogs, the Peep2 token stands as a symbol of trust and strength, fully audited with its smart contract mode openly disclosed. It ensures complete transparency and security for all users. It's the foundation of Peep2 vision of wisdom, safety, and unity for the crypto community. Trust and safety audits by CoinSert Solid Proof. Click exchange, or you can see the contract right here. Power energy optimization. Power harness community strength, energy fuel for continuous growth, optimization, future proof growth. Pip2 Bridge. Pip2 Bridge isn't just a tool, it embodies his wisdom and unifying power. I already told you about it. Are you a token owner? You believed in the god of frogs, zero fees, top security, cross chain bridge, legitimacy, no corruption. If your project merits a listing, it will be granted with fully integrity. Should any support be needed, the god of frogs will guide you. Click apply now. Here is the tokenomics pre-sale 30%, staking 30%, marketing 20%, project development 7.5%, liquidity 12.5%. How to buy PIP2? I already told you about it. Create your MetaMask wallet, or if you already have a wallet, connect it with the Peep2, load wallet with crypto, buy and stake Peep2 roadmap. Here's the roadmap. I think it's going on. If you have any frequently asked questions, click the question to get your answer right here. Join their official channels to get the latest updates about this project. Hope so you understand the video. If you understand the video, hit the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.